Hey Madison, great job on your analysis of the characters of Bridge to Terabithia. I thought this was great because you used different colors for different parts of what you were talking about. You know, the actions of speech. One is on Jess and then, you know, the one on Leslie as well. I just think this is a great idea. So first of all, like if you pair your colors with the ideas and you have students physically draw it. It's high interest, it's low cost, it's a visual learning thing. You could even put this on like big butcher paper board, you know, like the stuff the white paper that you roll out, and make it large enough so all students could see it, so that big orange bubble for the thoughts, that each student could come in and write their own, you know, thoughts on that and the looks and the description. So I think that was a great idea, very clever. It's a good visual aid, and I think that's it will do you well. So I think anytime that you can get high interest, creativity, color, low cost into your classroom for some of these things, the better. So nice work.